Hello everyone, trying to transfer your number but blocked by number transfer protection. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to remove it step by step so you can switch smoothly. Let's get started. Total Wireless allow unlocking of phones after specific conditions are met, including a minimum active service period of 12 months for most devices or 60 days for Verizon activation. Military personnel can request unlocking during the lock period and customers can check eligibility or submit request online or by calling 1-888 4425102. Total Wireless Unlocking Policy effective July 2024. Unlocking a cell phone associated with Total Wireless involves disabling software restrictions that prevent activation on another carrier's network. However, an unlocked phone may not function properly on another carrier due to differing technologies, and Total Wireless is not responsible for any limitation resulting from this. Eligibility for unlocking. The cell phone must be in working condition and powered on. It must not be reported stolen or lost, nor show sign of fraud. The cell phone must have been activated with a Total Wireless service by purchasing and redeeming an airtime plan. Remote unlocking. Activation before November 23, 2021. Phones activated prior to this date will be unlocked upon request after 12 months of activate service. Activation after November 23, 2021. Verizon network automatically unlocked 60 days after activation. Manual unlocking. An unlocking code will be provided upon request if the phone meet the eligibility criteria started above. For phones activated before November 23, 2021, a minimum of 12 months of active service is required for Verizon network activation post November 23, 2021. At least 60 days must have elapsed since activation. Fees for early unlocking. If customers have not met the required minimum period of active service, they may still unlock their phone for a free up to $300 depending on how long the service was active prior to the request. Total Wireless will unlock phones for military personnel who receive relocation orders outside the coverage area even during the lock period. Requesting unlocks. Contact customer support, call Total Wireless at 800-327-2077 or 611-611 from your Total Wireless phone. Explain that you need to remove number transfer protection to facilitate in number port. Provide authorization. You may be required to provide a 6-digit code or other verification details as instructed by the customer service representative. Follow up after the request. Confirm with your new carrier that the number transfer protection has been successfully removed and that the porting process can proceed. If you encounter difficulties, ensure you have your account information ready, such as your account number, which is typically your phone's IMEI and any relevant pins.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.